My name is Midshipman Justin Roy, roll number 35. Sound signal in restricted visibility. In or near an area of restricted visibility, whether by day or night, the signal prescribed in this rule shall be used as follows. Letter A. A power-driven vessel making by way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes or followed blast. Letter B. A power-driven vessel underway but stopped and making no way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes to followed blast in succession with an interval of about 2 seconds between them. Letter C. A vessel not under command, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, a vessel constrained by her draft, a sailing vessel, a vessel engaged in fishing, and a vessel engaged in towing or pushing another vessel shall, instead of the signal prescribed in the paragraph A or B of these rules, sound at interval of not more than 2 minutes 3 blasts in succession, namely 1 prolonged followed by 2 short blasts. Letter D. A vessel engaged in fishing with an anchor, and a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver when carry out her work at anchor shall, instead of the signal prescribed in the paragraph G of this rule, sound the signal prescribed in paragraph letter C of these rules. Letter A. A vessel towed, or if more than one vessel is towed by the last vessels of the tow, if manned, shall at intervals of not more than 2 minutes sound 4 blasts in succession, namely 1 followed by 3 short blasts. When practicable, these signals shall be made immediately after the signals made by the towing vessels. Letter F. When a pushing vessels and a vessels being pushed ahead are rigidly connected in a composed unit, they shall be regarded as the power-driving vessels and shall give the signal prescribed in paragraph A or B of these rules. Letter G. A vessel at anchor shall at intervals of not more than 1 minute ring the bell rapidly about 5 seconds in vessels of 100 meters or more than length of the bell shall be sounded in the forepart of the vessels, and immediately after the ringing of the bell the going shall be sounded rapidly for about 5 seconds in the after part of the vessels. A vessels at anchor may in addition sounds of 3 blasts in succession, namely 1 short, 1 prolonged, and 1 short blast, to give warning of her position and of the possible of collision to an approaching vessels. Letter H. A vessels aground shall give the bell signal, and if required, the gong signal prescribed in paragraph G of these rules, and shall, in addition, give 3 separate and distinct strokes of the bell immediately before and after the rapid ring of the bell. A vessel aground may in addition sound an appropriate whistle signal. Number 1. The vessel of at least 12 meters of length shall be not obliged to give the above mentioned signal, but if she does not, shall make some other efficient sound signal at intervals of more than 2 minutes. Letter J. A pilot vessel, when engaged in pilotage duty, may, in addition to the signals prescribed in paragraph A, B, or G of this rule, sounds an identity signaling consisting of 4 short blasts.